What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blockbank token. Ticker symbol is Bbank. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Bbank token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Bbank token, the Blockbank token, is a decentralized digital asset management and value circulation network, and this is the token within the ecosystem. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing November 24th. It got listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Bbank, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find their Twitter. I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen there, at Blockbank app. They have 34,800 Twitter followers so far. They're doing very well on there. Blue verified checkmark. Over 5,000 tweets. This is a very well established project. They announced their exciting news, new partnerships, new listings, all that type of stuff is on their Twitter there. They just got a new partnership. It says here, Ethereum is their newest one. So you can find all these new partnership listings, all the new information is basically on their Twitter there. If you open up their webpage, blockbank.ai, which you can find on the Twitter there linked, real easy to find everything there. They have a chat box if you need help with anything. At the very bottom of their webpage, they have a link to download from the App Store, download from the Google Play Store, so you can get their app. You can just click launch their app right on their webpage if you want to try it on your PC. They have a QR code you could use, tons of socials, Discord, Telegram, Twitter. They have a Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube channel, blog articles, all sorts of information that you could click on here. Help and support, team, artificial intelligence, learning hub, and the HODL card. And then you can also click on Ethereum, which I was talking about earlier. So, banking done right. Experience simplicity and convenience with our all-in-one crypto neo banking app. Take control of your assets, trade and spend funds globally in seconds. So they're partners with Polygon, Tron, Cardano, Avalanche, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Binance Smart Chain. Order your card now. Unlock the full potential of borderless banking with Blockbank and get started by ordering your new shiny card. And right on their webpage, you can click on order card now, and it shows a Visa card that says HODL in the top corner of the card. Probably the coolest Visa card that I've seen there. It says HODL on it. That's amazing. Anyway, centralized finance. Experience the ultimate convenience and simplicity with our all-in-one crypto platform. Easily manage your assets, trade at the best market prices, earn rewards, and track your portfolio with ease. Upgrade to a better banking experience now and put your crypto to work. Experience decentralized finance. So financial freedom with our revolutionary decentralized, anonymous, and non-custodial multi-currency wallet. Securely store and manage your digital assets across various chains, such as ETH, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, take control of your financial future with the cutting-edge technology and our wallet. So take control of your assets, be your own bank with your truly decentralized wallet. Also, multi-chain trading supports the top 5 blockchains and more. Access to Web3 browser. Connect to the Web3 world with the built-in browser. So they have banking. Unleash the power of borderless banking with Blockbank, a complete modern fintech platform that provides convenient and secure borderless banking services for all. So they have the credit card, they have rewards, worldwide acceptance, personal and business, checking and accounts, instant payments, crypto-friendly, and remittance. Earn on your crypto. So they have different tiers that you can get involved with. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, and VIP. Basically how much money you have locked in the app. How much USD worth of Bbank tokens. You can earn different annual percentage yields. There's different referring amounts if you want to refer friends and things like that. So start earning. Editorial picks just for you. So they have different news articles. You could do deep dives basically on this project by reading these news articles. Institutional services brought to you by GenBlock. Experience personalized support with GenBlock Financial's dedicated team with over 50 years of traditional financial experience. Our institutional desk is here to help family offices and hedge funds navigate the exciting world of crypto finance. Your trusted partner in the world of crypto finance. So they have a Telegram you can follow at Blockbank app that has 8,154 members. So that's a good place to join the conversation, ask questions if you want to, things like that. So they have frequently asked questions. So general questions, how do I download it to my iPhone or my Android? How does the referral program work? Can you tell me more about the Bbank token? So they have a light paper. If you click on that, and the frequently asked questions, it'll take you over to info about the Bbank token. So the Blockbank application is powered by our platform's utility token called Bbank. Users can gain access to our debit card rewards program, robo-advisory, increase your annual percentage yield, and earn interest on their tokens by earning Bbank in their custodial Blockbank wallet. And then it says you can also check the light paper to know more. So they have a 17-page light paper. It has tons of info on there. But it also says that this token is listed on Mexc Global. I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there as well. So you can either get this token off of Coinex Global or Mexc Global. And there's referral codes for both of those in the description box if you don't have accounts for either one of those. So they do have their team doxed on their webpage here. They have LinkedIn addresses to all of their team members here. So that's good to see. They have partnerships with tons of different blockchains and stuff like that. So the use cases they have for the token: reduced fees, banking plans, staking rewards, insurance, third-party rewards, cash back, exclusive offers, robo-advisory. All sorts of cool stuff on here. It's the native token. It's an Ethereum ERC20 token. And yeah, so check this all out. You can read their 17-page light paper if you want to learn more about the project. I'm sure this token, is most likely listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, I would assume too, so you could probably find it on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.